Okay, class. So let's start today from our section from manufacturing industries, that is transport equipment industry. So now when we hear the word transport, which all transport we know? We know about railways, we know about roadways, we know about waterways, we know about airways, and also pipeline facilities are there for transporting minerals from one place to another, or from natural gas from one place to another, from oil from one place to another. So here now we are going to learn about different transport equipment industries and what are they. Let's move. So first let's learn about railways. The train is classified into three parts: railway engines, wagons, and coach. These are the three parts into how the train is classified. Railway engines are of three types: steam, diesel, and electric. These are the three parts of train, and these are the three types of railway engines. Right? Diesel and electric engines now replace the steam engines because they are fuel efficient and pollution free. That means diesel and electrical engines are replacing the steam engines now, because steam engines, they give lot of pollution. Okay. And as we know that diesel and electric, they are pollution free and they are also fuel efficient. So we mostly go for diesel and electrical engines straight. Engines are manufactured at Chittaranjan in West Bengal, Varanasi in UP, and Jamshedpur in Jharkhand. These are the places where the railway engines are manufactured. Rails and sleeper bars are manufactured at iron and steel plants. You all must have traveled in train, right? So you must have seen there are sleeper bars, there are rails. Where are they coming from? They are manufactured in industries, and from there, as a finished product, they are coming into the service sector. They are coming into the place where they can give service to the economy. So the rails and sleeper bars of the railway system, they are manufactured at iron and steel plants. Coaches are manufactured at Perambur, Bangalore, Kapurthala, and Kolkata. These are the places where the coaches of the train are manufactured. That means each and every part of the train comes from different places, come from different manufacturing industries. Wagons are produced in private sectors and railway shops. So this is a small picture. Okay, you can see how the transportation is done, how they are keeping together, how they are bringing different parts of the train, joining it together, making it into one whole system of train. This is the luggage train, from where they are taking the things. And here also, for any type of manufacturing work or any type of what we say defect is there, changing it, cleaning it, everything happens like this. Now road vehicles. Okay. India is the second largest producer of three-wheelers. India currently produces 15 million bicycles and 3.8 million scooters and motorcycles in a year. This is the total production. Currently, the production of India related to bicycles, scooters, and motorcycles. And our country is the largest producer of three-wheelers. Widely spread around Delhi, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Chennai, Pune, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur, and Bangalore. These are the places where the industries are there, where the road vehicles making factories are there, shops are there. Bus, double decker bus and single decker bus. Manufacturing of two-wheelers. Shipbuilding. Now, shipbuilding requires a huge capital. 5 major shipbuilding centers are there in our country. What are they? Visakhapatnam, Kolkata, Kochi, Mumbai, Marmagaon, and all are in public sector. And private sector shipyards look after the local needs. And making a ship needs a huge capital. This is how a big ship looks like. So you can understand the materials, all type of heavy and small, all kinds of industries are working here. For iron and steel also works here. Cloth is also used here. Then different minerals are used, materials are used, electrical appliances are used, motors are used, switches are used. So many things are together forming a ship. So mostly all the industries are playing a role in manufacturing of ships. The maximum size of the ship that can be constructed at Kochi and Visakhapatnam are 1 lakh deadweight tonnage. Weight of an empty ship, okay, and 50,000 deadweight tonnage respectively. This is the maximum size of a ship that can be constructed at Kochi and Visakhapatnam. And for repair of ships, there are 17 dry docks in India. That means any kind of repairing if we need, there are 17 dry docks in India where the ships are repaired. For as we know, as vehicles are also having different workshop. Whenever it gets any problem, we take them to the workshop. Same way is with ship. If they need any kind of repair, they are taken to dry docks in our country. Aircraft. Next is aircraft. For defense requirement, India has developed aircraft industry at Bangalore, Koraput, Nasik, Hyderabad, Kanpur, and Lucknow. These are the places where aircrafts are developed, aircraft industries are developed. Each place specializes in the manufacture of certain types of aircraft. India also manufactures helicopters. That means in each places, they create certain types of aircraft. They manufacture certain types of aircraft, and in our country we also manufacture helicopters. So you can see in this picture lots of communication, transportation, small vehicles moving around, repairing it, cleaning it, making any kind of changes, manufacturing, all the things happen like this. Next is electronic industry. Electronic industry covers wide range of products like transistors, television, telephone exchanges, cellular telecoms, pagers, computers, etc. All the electronic related items, they come under the electronic industry. They look after the needs of defense equipment, railways, airways, space, flight, and meteorological department. That means everywhere electricity is needed. So any kind of things which is related to the electric products are made in electronic industries, and they always look after the needs of defense equipment. They always look after the need of railways. What are railways need? What do airways need? What do spacecrafts need? Flights and all the other meteorological department. All these things are done by the electronic industry. Electronic industry has developed both hardware and software, fast growing sector of Indian economy. Electronic industry is considered as fast growing sector of Indian economy, and it has developed both in hardware and software, contributed lot to the space technology. For space technology, the contribution is high from the hands of electronic industry. And the electronic capital of India is considered as Bangalore. Bangalore is considered as the electronic capital of India, where you can see lots and lots of electronic industries, and the companies and all working related to IT departments and all are mostly seen in Bangalore. The major electronic goods producing centers are in Hyderabad, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Kanpur, Pune, Lucknow and Coimbatore. These are the places where major electronic goods producing centers are there. And software technology parks and aid centers, they also provide single window service and high data communication facility to software experts. As we know, nowadays everything is going on in laptops and computers and all. So IT department is having lots and lots of work. So for that, who is going to help them? Who is going to help the software experts? That is the software technology park and the different centers who is producing or who is providing high window service and high data communication, with the help of which everything is going smoothly. Industrial pollution and degradation of environment. Now all these things are happening. Every type of industrial things are coming into existence. So many industries are coming, development is happening, mining is going on, mineral is extracted. So many things are happening in our country, in our world related to development. Now, when all these things are happening, there are some side effects also which are caused by these industries, and that is coming under the criteria of pollution and degradation of environment. So mainly industries are creating 4 types of pollution. This thing we are learning from very low grades only. That is air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. These are some of the main pollutions which are created by the industries. Because why? They are using many different types of minerals. And when they are using different types of minerals, what the thing is, pollution is created when the smelting is happening, when the manufacturing is happening, when the welding is happening, when they are polishing, they are doing any kind of refining to minerals, whatever the things are happening, there is a kind of pollution which comes up, and it can be in the source of airways, air pollution, water pollution can happen, land pollution and noise pollution. These are the main 4 types of industrial pollution. And now, which are those pollution? How are they affecting our environment? That we will be seeing in the next lecture. Thank you.